YouTube, what is up? What's good, you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out to the Boul Nation. I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. Today's Friday. We're actually good. Trying to do this little DIY stuff. Alright, so video got cut off for some reason, but yeah, as I was saying, got this board here, so yeah, I don't know what we'll put on here, but thing is, I need to drill holes in here because apparently I can't just screw in there. But plus, like, it's so heavy that you gotta like make sure. I guess I got to drill in it first. But things I bought drill off of Amazon, and that drill looked kind of crazy. I was trying to use it. Was it working? The instructions was it working? So now I have a handy dandy screwdriver to pretty much put a hole deep enough. So honestly, it's been working. You know, I gotta do like the nice manual way. But it actually's been working, so I just gotta get this like a little bit further in, and then I'll be good to go. So I gotta do this pretty much 2 times here. So I just gotta just. There we go. Yeah, I say this is like the piece I gotta put in here. Oh, I'll put in the hole I created. That's it. See, man, about a drill that work, I'll be good. Okay, I had to check because like I was like doing this and then like just went through. So I was like, oh, did I like get somewhere in life? But no, I'm good. Wow, actually perfect too. See, man, handy dandy screwdriver, bro. The handy dandy screwdriver does it all. But honestly, I'm like. This wall's pretty thick though, so like I only draw I only screw it too far anyway, so but yeah, we got one end, and then honestly I gotta measure like 4 feet from here to here actually. I'm about to say because honestly low key like I really want to put like one side up and then be able to kind of get the other side up too. So I'm gonna try to do that. So I'm gonna be right back. Whew. All right, YouTube. Kind of update. I got like one side in. Unfortunately, look like the screw is unfortunately like it's a little bit stripped, so I can't really screw it in. So, but thing is like it's in there, like it's sturdy, like it's not coming down nothing. So I guess it's gonna be poking out a little bit, but. I'm about to create my second hole for the other screw so I can have this right side up and it should be good to go. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm done. Alright, so the whiteboard is up, but it's weird, cause look. First this screw's out and it's like stuck. Like it's in there. See, it's firm in there, not moving. I mean like the bottom might move because I got no screws down there, but top is secure on this side, and then as I see here, like the screw is away, but again, sturdy, very sturdy, hella sturdy, like not moving at all. So I guess it's in there. I mean, it's not the prettiest way, but this kind of shows like how big the whiteboard is. You gotta like kind of stand back to get the full view of it. But yeah, it's 4 foot, about 3 foot, plenty of board space compared to my other one down there. So you can zoom in a little bit, which I think was like, that was like 36 by 24, I think. So we got 1 foot of whiteboard space on each side, so beautiful. But yeah, so honestly not the prettiest. Unfortunately I couldn't use the drill, so I had to use the screwdriver to get the holes in for the anchor and then for the nail, but the nails for some reason couldn't go through, which I don't know why, but like I said, it's good. It's sturdy. That's all I'm worried. That's all I'm worried about. When I say like, it might not look pretty, but as long as it's sturdy, as long as it won't fall, we good. So, good job, Neat.